Hello everyone, this is my homework solution to Palm Recorder's How to Use Revolve command. The homework assignment was to make a flower pot, and that is what I've done. And another thing was to make it fully parameterized. So, that's what I've done here. I have 5 parameters: the length, height, wall thickness, the lip length, and the pot angle. And I'm going to demonstrate that for you today. So, the base length, I'll make it 60. The height I'll make 80. The wall thickness is dependent on the base length. I'll make the lip length 20. And the angle I'll make 70. And then fully parameterized and nothing will break. You could even try something like 20 degrees. You get whatever this is. Or you could do a lip length of 10. And a base length of 100. And now it's like a plate, and the height of 200, and nothing's broken. If I change it back to 70, 80, 50, and there we go. That is a fully parameterized flower pot. And just for fun, I have actually made the flower in the dirt, and here's what it looks like. Just for fun. I did not spend that much time making it, but just for fun. And I even made it spin around using a joint. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.